This gives the Globemaster a tactical advantage while flying low over hostile territory and is also environmentally friendly.
Absolutely.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the aircraft passes, please notice the wing leading edge slats and the large powered lift wing flaps. These devices change the shape of the C-17 wing and are the key to its final approach speed, enabling this aircraft to land and stop in short distances. Airport where enemy resistance is suspected. Upturned wingtips or winglets. These decrease aerodynamic drag and increase fuel economy. To give you a better idea of the whole aircraft overall size, those winglets are over 3 meters tall. A redundant fly-by-wire system to run its flight controls. The fly-by-wire system means that aircraft flight controls are electronically operated by inputs from control sticks. There are 4 separate flight control computers, each of which can manage the entire system by itself. The computers continuously monitor the flight controls and each other. If there are any problems, they automatically work around the disabled system. In addition to these features, the C-17 still has the mechanical backup. Delivered the first operational C-17 to Charleston Air Force Base in June of 1993.